the central government?
BJP is a master at giving names. Jana Akrosh is against BJP, not against Congress. So their entire protest is against themselves in the state of Karnataka. People have decided in the by-elections, we have seen what is the result. But the question is not that. The question is what is the price of LPG in 2014 when BJP and all its leaders, including the Prime Minister, came into power on the ground of price hike. What was the price of LPG? When Smriti Irani carried in her head the cylinder and protested, price was 350 rupees. What is the price today? The price is more than 1000 rupees. What is the price of petrol? Petrol is today 105 rupees. What is the price of diesel? And the crude oil prices was at its highest in the world market, international market. Manmohan Singh Ji's government gave petrol at 45 to 50 rupees. Today it is at the lowest and the price in India is at the highest. Even in Pakistan it is lesser. Their favorite country, BJP's favorite country, Pakistan, even there it is lesser than India. So therefore we are protesting. And the people's anger is against the BJP central government, not against the Karnataka government.
Sir, there is another development that the quota bill has been forwarded to the President of India for consideration. How do you see this bill?
This is a quota bill.
4% quota bill.
No, this is not in respect of one bill. The Honorable Governor of Karnataka has been acting very similar to the Governor of Tamil Nadu, Governor of Kerala, Governor of West Bengal. Wherever there is a non-BJP government, BJP is working through the Governor's office. This is a very, very bad precedent. And after the judgment of the Supreme Court in the state of Tamil Nadu's case, even then our Governor is behaving this manner is unacceptable. We are also being constrained to move the Supreme Court if this happens, this continues.